I know myself that I'd probably never be able to go back to college for a 4-year bachelor's degree, but being able to say, hey, look, I've taken this course, I have the knowledge that I need to be able to do my job and do my job effectively is really important.
So the courses that I took are 3 days long, about 9 hours each day. The things that I learned there were all about electronics, electronic fundamentals, and basically the fundamentals of the things that we build here.
It's a great stepping stone. It's a great place to start. Everything that you need to do this class is here.
So the courses that SCC offers are actually hands-on in the way that they're approached. Getting your hands in there allows you to learn that knowledge, really retain it.
When you make mistakes in a controlled environment, it's a heck of a lot better than when you make these mistakes on some $250,000 machine. Having the training to actually do this in a safe place is a lot better.